Hi and welcome. Within this lesson, we'll tie in all the things that we learned for the best way to manage your blog or business for bloggers and solopreneurs. And by the end of this lesson, you'll learn the perfect blueprint to be more efficient in managing your blog and CoSchedule. The first thing that you need to do to manage your blog is to brainstorm ideas to fill up your ideas bin. We recommend the hub and spoke model, so come up with a couple of different content themes which will be your hub, and spokes which will be your ideas. An example of this is if you're a food blogger, you might have content themes such as 21 days of Super Bowl appetizers or Christmas cookie recipes around the world. After you have your hubs built out, you'll start to write down as many content ideas as you can. You can start a clock for 15 minutes and write down as many as you can, or you can automatically put them into the ideas bin. And I'll go into CoSchedule and show you how to add those into your ideas bin. So you open up your calendar and click the top right corner where it says ideas, then the plus in the top right corner. Then you put whatever you're going to put here. And for example, I'm doing appetizers for the Super Bowl. And I'll click create project and it'll automatically fill right here. The next thing you want to do is to create a task to-do list. This makes sure that you're always working on time and blog posts get published on time and you know exactly what you need to do each day of the week. And here's an example to-do list that you could use, but you could also tweak it so it goes with your workflow. We'll go back to the CoSchedule calendar and we'll schedule one of these posts by dragging an idea to the calendar. First we open up the calendar and we find the idea that we want, then we grab this one and drag it to the calendar. And then you can open this and there's task here. Then you can put whatever you need there, and you can also schedule it from here and also assign it to somebody from here. I skipped forward a little bit and you can see that I added a few tasks here, and if I back out now, you can see that these tasks are now living on the calendar. Next, we recommend using CoSchedule for use of the text editor to write your blog post. Now, I'll open up CoSchedule and show you how it works. So we'll click this blog post right here, and within this, you'll see an attachments area. You can either add a Google Doc, or you can click the text editor option. We'll click the text editor option as so. And you'll start writing your blog right here, and this is where your blog will live. And I'll add some text here so you get a feel of what it looks like. And you can also add this to your WordPress. You can toggle down the gear right here and click convert to WordPress, and this will automatically turn itself into a WordPress blog on your WordPress account. CoSchedule and WordPress talk to each other and cut out the big important parts of cutting and pasting, which take up a lot of your time. Now we can edit our WordPress directly from WordPress and bring it exactly there in WordPress. Now the other option to write your blog post is with a Google Doc, and you can add it through CoSchedule with the Google Doc integration. First, open up the blog post within CoSchedule. Then instead of the text editor, you click the Google Doc option. Then you find the select document within these. Then you find the document here. Again, you can convert this to WordPress with the same process as before. You could just toggle the gear here and follow the prompts. Once you convert it to a Google Doc to a WordPress, it will appear so. And you can pop back and forth between WordPress and CoSchedule to edit. Next thing that you could do with CoSchedule to get more traffic is by making the perfect headline. With CoSchedule, we have integrated our headline analyzer so we can edit your headline and choose the perfect one, and I'll show you how that works. First, you open up your blog post, then you'll type your headline. After that, you click this button to the right that says Analyze. And as you can see, it's not great right here, but I'm going to edit that. Now that I edited my headline, I can reanalyze it with the blue button here. Okay, you can see that the score did go up, and you can keep trying this to get a better score by following that simple process. Now, the next thing that you'll want to do is to add some social templates and social campaigns to your blog. First, we'll hop over to our CoSchedule calendar, then click our blog post here. Then you can click your Add Attachment and make sure to click the social campaign. Then I already have the link here, and if you already have a WordPress blog, it'll automatically populate there. Then in the top left corner of your social campaign, you can click Templates, then click the template that you saved from before. Then you'll click Apply. Then it'll automatically populate everything else for you. And the final and last piece of the puzzle is to let CoSchedule do its thing. But what does that mean? Well, if you go back to CoSchedule and click on your blog post, you'll see that it's in draft status. So what you'll have to do is go to the blog post and change it from draft to scheduled. So what this means is that CoSchedule will automatically put out your social media posts and blog posts when it's scheduled, and you don't have to worry about it anymore. And that means you don't have to worry about anything, and CoSchedule will do all the heavy lifting. And that's the last lesson. Thanks!